love about Ringba.
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 Ringba. Ringba.
Ringba.
The Ringbas, we love Ringba.
Ringba.
The number one thing I love about Ringba is
How can I pick just one?
their support staff, basically all their staff. Fantastic. If I have any questions, comments, or concerns, they're always Johnny on the spot. They're helping our business grow, constantly making introductions.
The reporting aspects of Ringba.
The IVR system as well as the reporting.
The ease of use, be able to set up the campaigns, look at analytics.
In regards to any type of call tracking, call routing, it's the most simple platform we've ever used.
It's very intuitive, very easy to understand, very easy to teach. It's just a great product.
It also has a really wonderful API with our own system. We have a proprietary tracking platform and it integrates with our tracking platform quite well, and we love that a lot.
It's very functional as far as tech integrations. It's everything has been fantastic, and obviously the overall level of customer service that we received has been spectacular.
I mean, all the features they have to kind of protect you, like the CCPA shield, all the extras they give you, like their IVR routing, the extra data you get on each call. So I love the platform.
So all in all, without a doubt, the best call tracking platform in the industry.
They help every single call center get what they need from beginning to end. That's why Ringba is the best.
If you're in need of call tracking, I would only recommend one company, and that's Ringba. Make sure you check them out.